I want to take a look at keyboard shortcuts to take screenshots or pictures of your screen on your Mac. There are several different key patterns you can use to take these, and I wanted to try to break it down here for you with this image. You're going to use the Command and the Shift keys for sure, and then either the 3 or the 4. If you do Command Shift 3, it'll take a picture of your entire screen and save it to the desktop. Whereas if you use Command Shift 4, it'll allow you to take a partial screenshot, save it to your desktop. If you add in the Control button, it will save it to your clipboard for easily to paste into an email, for example, instead of saving the file on your computer. So let's take a look at some examples. If I want to take a partial picture of my screen, just of this little picture here, and then paste it into an email, I'd want to use the partial screen option and the control button. So I'd use Command Control Shift 4. And when I do that, I get the little crosshairs here that allow me to take a picture of part of my screen. Then it clicks to copy it. I can go to an email and I can go ahead and paste that image in then. It's a great tool for pasting images like this in. And that's going to be the Command Control Shift 4. Now, if I wanted to take a picture of my whole screen and save it to my desktop, maybe to upload somewhere, I instead will use the option Command Shift 3. So I don't want to save it to my clipboard, so no control, and I want my entire screen. So Command Shift 3 will just click right away and it will put my entire screen in an image. And you can see right here it's been saved as an image on my desktop up on the top right. So I have this invitation here. I can go ahead and upload it to that. If you have an image that you've taken on your screenshot, the name is this long name with the word screenshot in it. But if you want to actually rename it when you're uploading, hold down the Control key and click on it, and then there'll be Rename option. You can rename it right in the Upload folder, however you want to rename it. When you click off, your file is now renamed, and you can upload it right through there. So this is a really helpful tool here, this little picture of the screenshot, to help you remember those keyboard shortcuts.